Great for baking cupcakes for any occasion or celebration. Color, assorted. 2 in, 5 centimeters, dia. Quantity, 300 count. Can also hold nuts or candies. Bake treats to fit any occasion with these colored cupcake baking cups. Includes 50 of each color: yellow, green, dark blue, light blue, orange, and pink. When it comes to cupcake decorating supplies from Wilton, these cupcake liners are must-have. Top reviews from the United States. Wilton has great products for baking and never leave me disappointed. These baking cups are so bright and come in 50 of each color. This allows for baking with all of one color or the option to mix and match. I love that they come in its own plastic container for easy storage. The previous reviews mention a horrible odor coming from these cups, but I didn't seem to notice that. They smelled fine to me and everything I baked tasted just fine. These cups are strong and not super thin like some of the baking cups you can get at the grocery store. I love Wilton brand and would definitely recommend these to anyone that bakes.